What is up, guys? Today, me and Jaden
are gonna make your bike sound like a dirt bike.
Your bike, so we're giving this their bike? Well, this ain't my bike, so I don't care about it.
So here, what's your bottle?
What is that? Is that a water bottle? Why is my phone zoomed in? What the freak, dude? What the freak?
Ew.
Bro, my quality sucks. What the freak?
And then we're gonna put it in here.
Please stop talking Asian.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to push it. I think your bike broke. Yes, it did.
What are you doing with that?
No, it wasn't. I think it's still broken. What happened?
Scream.
Okay.
Wow, fall down. We're not gonna post this video if you're just gonna keep joking.
Would you look at those tire tracks?
Wow, you're just not focusing on what the whole video.
Oh, sorry, I'm just showing my dad's tire tracks off his truck. He has a bike that's like 4 times bigger than him. And he's like, no, it's not bigger than mine. It's literally like 4 times bigger than him.
Put it this way, which,
oh my god. Put it in your back tire. Put it in your back. Doesn't
sound
your back.
It's not as loud.
Has more power than the front.
Yeah, but then it's gonna go a lot slower.
No, it's not.
Yes, it does. I tried.
So it's gonna go dot, dot, dot. That what you mean?
No.
If you have a BMX bike or any bike that has the pedals in front, where you just push it back and then it brakes, I'm sorry, but you cannot do this because you do not have the front brake.
Yes, you can.
How?
You don't have to have the front brake. All you gotta do is you just gotta put it in here.
Yeah, no, but
I
look.
see YouTubers do this with BMX bikes too. This is not what holds it.
He's dumb. He's straight up. Oh my god. Imagine doing parkour in a pair of boots.
What?
Imagine doing parkour in a pair of boots.
That would be hard.
It would be. I got mine. Jaden? Oh my god. He looks hideous in boots. It's like, oh my Jesus. I let him try mine on. He was like, I think I like these. I'm like, Jaden, don't wear them. They look so ugly on him. The quality on my camera sucks. It's like all blurry. Oh my god, I think that just made it worse. Well, alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. And, well, I hope you learned how to make your bike sound like a dirt bike. So, make sure you subscribe, and subscribe to Jaden.
It's Johnny666.
Yeah. And then subscribe
Hector
to, yeah. And then do not subscribe to Raina.
Do not subscribe to Hector.
Hector, oh yeah.
Do not subscribe to Fredbear Ricky G.
Subscribe to Yee Yee Nation, Juke Squad, me and Jaden. And, J Stu. What else? Good Mythical Morning. What's the other one?
Vlog Creations.
Yes.
Do that.
Dirt Every Day.
Yeah. Texas Metal, Roadkill.
What is it? Another one.
Luke Bryan. Subscribe to Luke Bryan. Yeah, Luke Bryan has a YouTube channel.
Oh, he
He
does?
posts all his music on there.
I never knew that. What else did we watch? Isn't there something else, like, it's like Good Mythical Morning, but...
Oh, Good Mythical More.
Yeah, that. And then, Smile More, Roman Atwood.
Yes, number one.
What else was
It has to be Roman.
it? Yeah, bro. I think that's all that I can think of.
I actually sent fan mail to Roman.
I think that's pretty much all I can think of.
Last month I sent fan mail to Roman, actually.
Well, alright guys, I will see you in the next video.